If you're looking for a truck that can handle any challenge on the road, then the 2023 Peterbilt 579 is definitely worth considering. Here's a closer look at what this incredible truck has to offer. The Peterbilt 579 was completely redesigned for 2023, and it looks amazing. The new front end is more aerodynamic than ever, and the LED headlights give it a modern look. The cab has also been updated, and it's now more comfortable than ever. Peterbilt has really outdone themselves with this new truck. One of the best features of the 2023 Peterbilt 579 is the all-new infotainment system. This system is packed with features, and it's sure to keep you entertained on long trips. You can connect your phone to the system, and it even has a built-in navigation system. If you're looking for a semi-truck that's packed with features and modern looks, then the 2023 Peterbilt 579 is a perfect choice. This truck has everything you need, and it's sure to revolutionize the industry. Looking good is just one of the reasons chief carriers chose the 2023 Peterbilt 579. It also has superior technology and a premium interior package.